Hi, welcome to the Robotics channel. I'm Naili. This video is the solution to the challenge in the previous video. Go to the Process tab and Processes. Click on the label to Conveyor Process. Add the statement. Select Create Statement and Get Assembly Statement. Place it in the first and second sequence. Create is allow you to create a product. In this case, at the product type here, choose tray. And the assembly steps, delete the steps 2. Just leave it only with step 1. This is because if you remember during creating the assembly product, you define the plate in step 1. So we only want the conveyor node to create the plate. Then the robot able to put all the 4 cylinders on the plate. Change the product variable as product in. For the get assembly, change the assembly data source to assembly product type. For the assembly, select the tray. And the assembly steps, you can leave it as default. Then, for the transport in, change the mode to process and assembly, which means it will wait until all cylinders are already put on the plate by the robot. For the assembly variable, change it to product in. Now you try to run your simulation. And yeah, you are done doing the crash course with us. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.